Welcome to Crafty Hints. I'm Chantel and I'm excited to have you here today. This is a different one for me. I'm taking you along on a shopping trip because I went there just to get a few things and fall was here. So I had to share with you, these are the things that I saw. There's a few new things. There's some of the old. So I just thought I'd give you a sneak peek in case your store doesn't have it quite yet, so that you can see what to be on the lookout for. Now these pumpkins they've had for the last couple of years. These jars I think are a little bit different. I can't remember if those were out last year for fall. But I thought they were cute. These are new. Look at those coffee cups and the to-go cups. I thought those were really cute. Those would be cute to make like a coffee bar. There's some table scatter. New sign. Okay, so there are a couple new types. These leaves are like a faux leather. So those are kind of neat. They also have the pumpkins with like the faux leather. So that's a little bit different. There's these little pumpkin stands. I think I might have seen those last year. All right, let me show you some other pumpkins here. I think these are a little bit different than last year, or maybe I missed out on them. But for $1.25, I think these are worth the money. If you like bling, there's some. There's also like some sweater material pumpkins there. And then there's the window clings. There's a few different types there. And of course the red truck. Okay, there's some here that were there last year. And then there's like the pleather pumpkins and then some smaller ones. So there'll definitely be a little bit of something for everyone. I'm sorry, I didn't want to hang out too long, but I want to make sure that you see everything. Okay, here's some scarecrows, and then there's some new signs. Some book stacks. They're a little bit thin though. The ones they had at Valentine's Day were a little bit wider. These are thinner. Aren't those cute signs? I mean, I'm a DIY girl, but some of those signs are just so cute. I don't know if you even have to DIY them. But look at this. Pumpkin pie, apple pie, cherry pie, and of course, pumpkin pie. So those are kind of cute. There's the football shape. And some wreath holders for your door. Those have been around for a little bit. I hope that you gotta let me know if this is something you'd like me to continue to do. I just don't normally take you shopping with me. I grab what I need and then I go. But I just took my time through the store this time. And actually, as I was going back through this, I realized, hey, I missed a few things while I was filming. So kind of funny. I guess I might have to take a run back there. I do like those pumpkins where it has the 3 of them there. Those come with a clip. Those are always handy to clip in with some greenery. There's lots of ribbon. I don't think I really saw anything super new that I was like, oh, I need to grab that for the ribbon. Lots of different pumpkins. Same as last year. But I thought, oh, let me give you a closer peek at the ribbon. So again, I think these are the same as last year. but maybe that's new to you. Maybe you weren't really crafting last year. There's the beads there, so I grabbed a couple of those. There's also trucks with pumpkins. There's a couple wood shapes. There's a trays with the cutouts. There's a squirrel, an acorn, a leaf, a pumpkin. Those could be really cute. And then I think these chalk tags are just a little bit different. I'm not sure those were out. I found those acorns and some little pumpkins. I think they could almost go for candy apples too. So maybe. And then there's some different paints and some pumpkins and some fabric. These words, it looks like, are the same as last year. I didn't get those last year, so I grabbed one or two of those today. All right, well, hopefully you're enjoying this sneak peek. And I came back because I realized that one of those door hangers were over those metal words. So the metal words are back this year. Here's some of the flowers and greenery that I saw. Then there's some signs. I still think that hot apple cider sign is adorable. But most of these look similar to last year. I do suggest getting those leaf swags. There's like a maple leaf and then there's an oak leaf. And so I grab one of each of those and intertwine them. Then there's these fall pumpkins. I bought one of those. I'm going to try and flip it over and repaint the pumpkins. Just giving it a more, I don't know, not that shiny feel. Oh, and let's get you over to some Halloween. They did have a Halloween aisle. A lot of the same. But these could be fun for the kids to paint, you know, get ready for it. Or for you to paint. Now I grabbed a couple of those. I still have some from last year, and I flip them over and make other signs. Those are good for your tiered tray. They're good to layer on other signs. So if you're interested, those come 2 to a pack. And I did find something new that I'll show you in just a second. This all looks the same, except I'm not sure if there is that wood skeleton. I'm not big on Halloween. The cutesy Halloween is kind of the way I go. I don't go on the spooky side. Okay. So, over here is a few new things. They have a Halloween tree. So this is kind of like a dried up old tree with orange and brown. And I'm going to pull this out, get a closer look for you. Let me set it on the floor here. Okay, gives you a little bit of a close-up of that. So if that's your thing, they have those this year, as well as some ornaments. And then there's some of the vinyl that, you know, is orange, so maybe that's something you want to use. All right, and then they did have a little center display of this. I I hope I haven't given you motion sickness. I tried to go slow. I tried not to make too quick of movements because I know I've watched some people and all of a sudden I get a little motion sickness watching it. Okay, here is some more on this side. There's some ribbons. Oh, there is that thinner buffalo check I didn't see. That might be a good one to grab. Can use that for several different seasons. Some rub-ons. Okay, that was about it for what I saw for new. And then I did go over to the $+ section. So this is $3 and $5. I just thought that I'd give you a peek. I don't know if your store has gotten their $+ aisle or two. Ours only has one store in the area that has a $+ so far. And I'd say for the most part, it isn't too bad. I can see why these items would be more. Obviously, it wouldn't be cost effective for them to give that for $1.25, but look, there's a red truck. I just saw those at Hobby Lobby for like $40. So some of these are bigger and, you know, they have a little bit more to them. So those are $3. And then this one lights up with a LED. And it has it in there. Oh, that truck's kind of a muck there. Let me turn it over. But yeah, those are $5. These are cute. So yeah, I just thought I'd let you know because I know that many Dollar Trees are starting to convert over to that. One of my other Dollar Trees said theirs won't happen until October. That was $5, just took a quick peek. So you just watch. Some of them are $3, some of them are $5, but they're quickly shifting over. This Dollar Tree also has 2 self-checkouts. Other Dollar Trees in our area have limited hours because they haven't had enough staff. This one's usually pretty staffed though. This is in a bag to protect it. So probably coming to a Dollar Tree near you. If you see them starting to clear out an aisle, it's coming soon. They usually take out about an aisle to an aisle and a half from what I've seen. I guess this one has an aisle and a half, I should say. So there are some other things here to craft. Those bigger wreaths are $3. I thought these falls with the punch tin were cute. I grabbed one. So I thought that might be cute layered on another sign. I'm not quite sure yet. I know 2 falls ago, I did kind of a hint of copper. Maybe that would be pretty in copper with some accents. And I'm winding down here. Here we are. It's a 24-inch stacked pumpkin. So you have 2 feet. So if you weighed those down maybe, that would work. But I hope that you've enjoyed this because I just want to share a little bit of what I saw on my adventure today. I hope you'll give me a thumbs up and I appreciate you watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. I do also hope you'll subscribe. But here's a couple other videos you might enjoy. Have a blessed day and remember to take care of you.